Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI project tutorials. This video is the introductory video for the customer analysis project. In this particular project, we have the data set of the bank customers. We are going to analyze that data set to find out the trends between the target customers. With the help of this analysis, we would be able to get the optimum number of people or the optimum category of the people which are most likely to sign up for the bank account or the bank locker, and we are going to target them only in the future for a better perspective. So for your reference, just by using the data set, I have already created a sample report in Power BI. Let's have a look at it. This is how the report is looking. Now we are using the different methods or the different things possible, like age and gender. So we can find out that the people from age 30 to 50 are the ones that are keeping the most balance in our account, with 30 to 40 females having the highest balance ever. If we talk about the age group and gender, so 20 to 40 is the age that is giving us the most balance, and 30 to 40 is actually the ones that are giving the most balance, with an equal distribution between the male and the females customers. And if we talk about the gender, so male are giving more balance in contrast to the females. If we talk about the job classification, then most of the customers are the white collar workers. So this is the category which we can target the most, and most of our customers come from England. These are few of the data that we can have a look at, like white collar is the most balanced by job, England is the country or the region which is giving us the most balance, male is giving us the most balance, and 34 is the optimum age of our customer that is giving us the maximum balance. So this is the analysis that we did with the help of this report, with the help of the data set of the customers. Now we would be looking at the step-by-step process to create a report similar to this for ourselves. So let us start.